Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Hoxie area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Taylor's Hoxie area, you have probably been in a wreck. Accidents can occur quick and you'd never know what hit you. I am referring to what literally hit you. It will leave your head with a lot of questions, whether you need a full dent repair or just a quick repair for a minor scratch in the paint. Everything boils down to one question, though: where do I start? Watch this auto body shop video in Hoxie, but that's not all you have to stress over. In some cases, dishonest automobile repair shops tend to overcharge for repairs performed. They tack on concealed charges. In some cases, they even bill you for things your automobile didn't need. Auto Body Service Estimate near Taylor's Hoxie. To help you easily compute repair costs, your insurance provider may offer an online estimator that will only require you to go into some info about your automobile before you can view the precise insurance coverage. Auto Body Service Insurance Coverage. Review your accident repair contract and know the precise coverage of the insurance. Prepare funds for repair services that are not specified in the policy. Auto body service equipment. No matter what type of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can offer you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While Automobile Garage can always help you with exterior problems, they also have the expertise to deal with accident repair tasks. Auto body service technicians. No one plans to enter into automobile accident. It must be a concern to get the automobile repaired by a professional and credible automobile mechanic. Ensure that the mechanics who provide accident repairs and automobile services can get your car back on the road safely. Auto body service near my house. Certainly, the most essential element here is your personal safety. It's reasonable if people want to scrimp with the costs for minor car repairs, but nothing must be more crucial than your own security. Remember, it's better to have no automobile at all than to drive one which presents a major danger to your life, and even to your families. The best auto body shop near you will ensure you are safe. Car, truck, SUV parts. The automobile repair company would inspect the damage and working of essential parts of your car. If any of it requires replacement, the parts and accessories are obtained or purchased by the company itself. Specific firms provide guarantees on the replaced parts so that you can get the future problems fixed from the company without spending money. Require the highest quality car, truck, SUV paint. If your car needs a new coat of paint due to accident repair, you can get it done by experts who are highly experienced in restoring the car to the highest standards. You need to inspect the credentials mainly. You need to contact a dealer who cuts no corners, since you cannot bear any type of substandard work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.